Good morning, everyone. Now, lecture 3 is about the animal tissues. There are the four major type of the tissues that are found in animals' bodies. First one is about the epithelial tissues, which are called as the protective and covering tissues. And then muscular tissues, these are known as the movement tissues, which help in movement of the body. Connective tissues, these are called as the connective, as the name is indicated that these connect the two organs to parts, so they are called as the connective tissues. And nervous tissues, these are related with the brain, and then all the stimulus responses and the control and coordination that occur due to the nervous tissues. Okay, now first one is about the epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissues, these are the simplest tissues, and these are called as the protective tissues and covering tissues. These tissues covers entirely body externally. Externally means बाहर से as well as internally, अंदर से भी, दोनों तरफ से जो है. एक तो ये क्या है, प्रोटेक्टिव और कवरिंग. कवरिंग टिश्यू बोला मैंने, हर एक ऑर्गन पे ये प्रेजेंट है, उसको कवर कर रहे हैं, प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं. ओके, एक्सटर्नली एंड इंटरनली दोनों तरफ से कर रहे हैं. देन अबाउट द फंक्शंस. About the functions, first one is it covers the body, means like the skin. जो skin है हमारी, that is made up of the epithelial tissues which protects the body from drying, सूखने से, injury and infection. मीन्स ये क्या है, एक तरह से जितने भी हमारे ऑर्गन्स हैं उनको ये कवर कर रहा है. तो प्रोटेक्ट भी कर रहा है और कवर भी कर रहा है. इट मीन्स ये क्या कर रहा है, उसको इन्फेक्शन से, ड्राइंग होने से, इंजरी, चोट से, हर तरफ से ये क्या करता है, प्रोटेक्ट करता है हर एक जो भी डेलिकेट ऑर्गन है हमारी बॉडी के. सेकेंड वन, सम सेल्स सिक्रीट द एंजाइम्स एंड हॉर्मोन्स. इसके ही क्या है, जो एपिथेलियल टिश्यूज़ हैं इसके ही कुछ सेल्स क्या करते हैं, एंजाइम्स भी सिक्रेट करते हैं और हॉर्मोन्स भी सिक्रेट करते हैं. थर्ड वन इज सर्टेन सेल्स फिल्टर द वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम द ब्लड सच एज यूरिन. कुछ सेल्स ऐसे हैं जो क्या करते हैं, वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट को भी रिलीज़ करने में, रिलीज आउट करने में भी हेल्प कर रहे हैं. आफ्टर दैट sweat and carbon dioxide is also released by, these are also called as the waste product because they contain the toxic material, so they are also released by these cells. Fourth one is some cells absorb the water and nutrients from the intestine, because these tissues, these are present and in the each and every of the organ of the body, so they have the different function as they are present into the specific organ. If they are present into the intestine, it means they help in the absorption of the nutrients and the water also. If they are present into the blood, and then they help in the transportation of the waste material from waste material out of the body. And if they are present into the skin, then they help in the protection and prevent from the injury. Okay, after that the epithelial tissues, they are of further 5 classes. They are divided into the 5 classes. First one is squamous epithelium, second one is cuboidal epithelium, third one is columnar epithelium, and fourth one is ciliated epithelium, and last one is the glandular epithelium. First one is about the squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium, this is the diagram of the squamous epithelium tissue, in which you can see the free surface and there is a basement membrane, and these are stacked to form the sheet like structure. Then nature, it is composed of the single layer of the thin and flat and plate like cells. After that occurrence, ये कहाँ present होते हैं, it is found on the surface of the skin, mouth, food pipe and lining of the blood vessels. Okay, after that functions are given. First one, it protects the skin from the injury, drying, entry of the germs. and it helps in the exchange of the material. Occurrence, it is found on the surface of the skin, mouth, food pipe, lining of the blood vessels. Okay. Function, the function, it protects the skin from the injury, drying, entry of the germs. It is already we have discussed. Second one is it helps in exchange of material. Exchange of material means help in the respiration also, because the respiratory organs, they also have the epithelial tissues, squamous epithelial tissues. These form the outer covering of the mouth and further some of the organs. And after that, cuboidal epithelium. Yes, you can see the diagram of the cuboidal epithelium, in which this is the layer, that is the purple in color, that is the basement layer in which the cells are stacked with each other. And here red center, red part, circular part, that is called as the nucleus, and the liquid of the cell is called as the cytoplasm. And these cells are get together by the cementing material or cementing substance. Okay. Nature, these cells are cube shape and closely fitted due to the cementing material, as we have seen in the diagram. Then occurrence, it is found in kidney tubules, ducts of the salivary glands, thyroid and sweaty glands. And functions, it helps in the absorption and secretion, because these are present into the salivary glands. They help in the secretion of the saliva. It means they help in the secretion and excretion also. They help in absorption, secretion and excretion. It provides the mechanical support. Means एक तरह से strength देना. Okay. Now next one is columnar epithelium. Now columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium tissues. Columnar means pillar like structure. Okay, they have the pillar like structures. And these cells also have the nucleus and columnar cells means which are long, ज़्यादा लेंथ होती है, but they are not as much as broad. And the basement, they also have the basement material. Okay. Nature, these cells are pillar like in structure. ये structure है इनका. Occurrence, ये कहाँ present होते हैं? It forms the lining of the stomach, lungs and gallbladder and uterus. And function, it helps in the absorption of the nutrients in stomach and intestine. Now ciliated columnar epithelium, और इसके बाद है ग्लैंडुलर एपिथेलियम. दोनों के बारे में मैं इकट्ठे ही बता रही हूँ. कोलुमनर सेल्स, दीज आर द सीलिएटेड बोला है तो सीलिया लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स दे हैव द सीलिया लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, न्यूक्लियस सेम, बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन and columnar cells are also present. Okay. And in case of the glandular epithelium, these cells have the some glands which help in the secretion of some secretions of some material that is also important for the body, and they also play the some crucial roles in our body. Okay. Now ciliated epithelium. Nature, it consists of the columnar or cubical cells with numerous hair-like projections. जहाँ पर numerous में a large number of hair-like projections होंगी, तो वो क्या है? ciliated epithelium. Occurrence, it is found in windpipe. Windpipe में जैसे आपको पता है that has the cilia-like structures, because that help in the trapping of the dust and dirt from the air and help in the filter of the air. Okay. And sperm ducts and oviducts. Sperm ducts that are the part of the reproductive organ in the males, and the oviduct, that is the female reproductive organ part. They also have the hair-like structures. And functions, cilia help in pushing the material downward. Means cilia जो है, कोई भी मटेरियल है उसको डाउनवर्ड मूव करने में हेल्प करते हैं. जैसे हमारे जो ये रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन, फूड पाइप है, उसमें जो हेयर लाइक सिलिएटेड हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं वो क्या करते हैं, म्यूकस को नीचे की तरफ करने की कोशिश करते हैं। हम जो म्यूकस है उसको एक ही डायरेक्शन में लेकर जा सकते हैं, डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, बट हम अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में नहीं लेकर आ सकते। ऐसे ही क्या है, जो स्पर्म्स हैं या ओवा है, एग है, उसको भी एक ही डायरेक्शन में ये मूव करने में हेल्प करते हैं। ओके, देन अबाउट द ग्लैंडुलर एपिथेलियम, सम ऑफ द कोलुमनर एपिथेलियल सेल्स, कोलुमनर एपिथेलियम मीन्स जो ये कोलुमनर एपिथेलियल सेल्स हैं, दे ऑल्सो हैव द सम ग्लैंड्स, ठीक है। सम कोलुमनर एपिथेलियल सेल्स चेंज इनटू द ग्लैंडुलर सेल्स, इट इज़ फाउंड इन स्किन लाइनिंग, स्किन में होंगे तो ये स्वेट होगा। लाइनिंग ऑफ द एलिमेंट्री कैनाल, लाइनिंग जो है एलिमेंट्री कैनाल की, वहाँ भी ये सिक्रीशन करने में हेल्प करेंगे, म्यूकस और एक्सेट्रा। देन पेनक्रियास, पेनक्रियाटिक जूस सिक्रेट होगा, सिक्रेट सम म्यूकस, एंजाइम्स एंड हॉर्मोन्स। ओके।